Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the tire pressure indicator or Tpms light. This warning on an Opel Corsa 2017 model. I'm going to show you how I did that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more videos. Use the commentary if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, when we start the car, as you can see, the tire pressure indicator light, this one, the yellow light, keeps coming up, and I'm going to show you how you can get rid of that. First of all, turn the ignition off, turn back on the ignition, then you have to go to the menu by pressing this button over here. Yes, once you are here, the menu button scrolls through the menu. Once you're here, turn this wheel over here and find tire load area. Is this area. To get rid of the indicator, you have to come find this area and then press the set button. The set button is this button on the left thumbstick. Press that. Then choose the light version, so turn the thumbstick to light and confirm with the set button. And as you can see, when I press this button, the indicator will disappear like this. And when we start the car, as you can see, the indicator must have gone and must be disappeared, like this. So, of course, you have to check if the indicator lights up. You have to check the tires for the right pressure, and after having it all on the right pressure, then you can use this trick to get rid of the indicator on the dashboard. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye. Thank you.